Hey everyone, welcome to this complete Runway AI tutorial. I will guide you through its powerful AI tools for video and image generation. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced creator, this is everything you need to know. To start, go to runwayml.com, create an account, and access your personal workspace. You will find AI tools, tutorial, and community content for inspiration. Your assets folder stores uploaded media and AI generated content. Let's explore the most powerful tool. Remy offers two main AI-powered video tools. Generation 1, that's video to video, and Generation 2, text to image or image to video. Generation 1 lets you transform an existing video with AI effects, upload a video, apply a presence, or use a text form to modify style and background. You can also use an image as a reference. In Generation 2 generates videos from text description. Simply type a prompt like and let AI create a short video. You can extend videos up to 16 seconds or remix community generated prompts. For AI generated images, Runway provides a text to image tool. Just type a prompt, select a style, and hit generate. Need to expand an image? Use infinite image. Just drag the frame, describe the new area, and AI will extend it seamlessly. You can also use erase and replace to remove unwanted objects and replace them with AI generated content. Simple, fast, and effective. Once your content is ready, download it in HD or 4K. It is in paid plans or 720p for free users. Runway provides 525 free credits, but additional generations require a subscription. Finally, don't forget to explore other tools like green screen, super slow motion, and video upscaling. Runway is an AI powerhouse for creators. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more AI guides. See you in the next one.